Hello, how you doing? Welcome to August's video. I cannot believe we're in August. I say this every video, but man, yeah, I left Banff this month. I'm now just north of Seattle, which means all my traveling has begun. September's gonna be an incredible month. I am so excited. But yeah, so August was really great. It was really nice weather for the first few weeks. It was awesome. What did I do? I did quite a big hike. I did the big beehive hike at Lake Louise, and that was really awesome, really fun, beautiful weather. I did grassy lakes, so like this month I just kind of did things that I've always wanted to do in Banff and have never got around to doing. We also had Quincy's mum come and visit, which was really nice. She rented a car, which was awesome. It meant we got to do all sorts of things. We went to Drumhell, which is this crazy like dinosaur area. It was incredible. Like it was like the Badlands, this amazing museum about dinosaurs. It was really fun. Yeah, it was just so nice to have her here, and it's been great that we have our own apartment so everyone can come stay and visit us. So that's been really awesome. I also did like a pre-packing little section in this video because I used to love watching them when I was going traveling. They were my favorite things. So it was really fun to film and just interesting to see what I own and, you know, pack. So yeah, this month we left Banff. We packed up all our stuff, we sold everything, we got rid of our apartment, and yeah, so let's bring on September. I'm very excited. Enjoy the video. Okay, hello. I thought I would do a little practice pack because we leave in a few weeks, a little less than, and I'm trying to get rid of stuff. I'm trying to decide what backpack to take. I have so much to kind of think about and organize, so I thought I'm just gonna lay down everything that I want to keep, see if it'll fit in the small new bag that I have, and if it will fit, that'd be great. It means that I can have a smaller backpack to travel with, you know, the smaller the better. But yeah, it's kind of fun going through everything, seeing all that I have left, all that I'm gonna keep. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you quickly what I have, you know, why not? Look at all the things that I've accumulated, or not, I guess. I feel like I've done a pretty good job at whittling it down, almost too good that I think I probably missed something. I'm thinking, what is not here that should be? Okay, here we go. I've tried to keep it organized in, this is for like carry on my actual stuff, and then this is just my small backpack carry on. So let's have a look. This pile is stuff that I'm gonna wear on the flight that I'm pretty certain will not fit into my bag, like my poncho, my huge jumper, my jacket. But then I have a small beach towel, my flip-flops. I have trousers, shorts, dress, t-shirt, no, jeans, shorts, t-shirt. I'm also wearing this, which I probably wear on the plane, so that counts. Then I have underwear just over there in the back corner, my hat, because I'm awfully pale. I've got my little hair straightners, my fringe, I may or may not keep those, my hairbrush, a bunch of pills, which are fun, and then I have my liquids in here, pretty organized stuffed in. And so this is my toiletry bag. It'll just have all the things that aren't liquids, so like makeup remover. This is beautiful, it's a paste and the liquids, so you know, dodging those rules. Getting soap bars into the soap, and when you put it in here it lathers up, and then you don't need to put in anything, and it's great and it won't stick. And I do the same with my shampoo bar. These are a great idea that I had, I take full credit. So that's pretty much everything I think I need. Over here is just little like actual hand luggage stuff, so laptop, journal, that's another notebook with my travel plans. Here, these three things are kind of like my trying to avoid plastic team. I've got a water bottle, little usable container with not grocery bags, like produce bags inside. This little pouch will have cutlery in and my straw. My wallet, this little security bag that I recently purchased actually. I've never had one before in all my travels, and I thought, you know what, this actually might be helpful. So I'm gonna keep my passport in here and all my bank cards. I have so many bank cards, so that is that. Got my pencil case. This is just all my documents. I guess now we're gonna see if I can pack all of this and if it's all gonna fit, and if the security is gonna let me, because it will probably fit, you know, everything's gonna fit, but it's more about the rules that security impose on you about sizes and blah blah blah. So yeah, my biggest life mission is to fit into that, but also trying to avoid it, and yeah, let's see how I go. I think that went pretty well. Here they are, in all their glory. Turns out I don't own that much. How you doing? I just thought I'd drop in to say I've had this apartment to myself for a few days, and as you can see from the video I just took, I'm really living it up, just messy. I'm so messy. I mean, I have to tidy this before Quincy comes home. He's a lot tidier than me. But yeah, I've made myself quite the little den. Life has been good. I started playing the ukulele again, which is nice. Really missed it. Yeah, I've been doing all sorts, painting again. I think it's just the excitement of traveling. It really inspires me to do more creative things. So that's nice. I'm actually violently hungover today. All this spinning around is kind of making me want to throw up. So I'm gonna go and get some Chinese food, take myself out for dinner. Yeah, I'm not feeling great. Obviously it's my own fault, self-induced, all that. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat and see how I survive out there in the real world, and then I'm always gonna come back, lie on that blanket and watch movies, I think. Do you know when I filmed this walking around and we were moving in? We're moving out. It was the beginning of the end. Look at this shelter apartment. And that was August. Thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait for this month. I say this every month. I'm always just so excited for what's coming. And yeah, so September I'm in a place just north of Seattle. I'm going to Phoenix, Las Vegas, and then I fly into Mexico City. So yeah, September's gonna be incredible. I'm so excited. But anyway, August was also really great. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.